Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to make a house in Minecraft. You need oak stairs, oak slabs, glass panes, a red bed, oak planks, oak doors, mossy cobblestone, and an oak log.
Wow.
So, what you're going to do is place down 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna fill it up with cobblestone. Like this. Like that. Now, do all the sides, but not the front, so I'll tell you why. Before you do the front, you need to add 2 doors. Then just fill it in with cobblestone. So, you have this. Now you want to take your mossy cobblestone and just like do this. Do it on all the sides. So like this. You can place it anywhere. Oh. Now, you're going to take your glass pane, make 2 holes, slide it there, do this. Oh no. Like this. Do it on all the sides.
Did you have to put cobblestone there first? Or you just changed your mind?
Cobblestone first.
Oh, really?
It's way easier.
Okay.
So like this.
Oh. You just threw a glass inside, I think, no?
No? If you do, then you have to get it.
Where's your door?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, is your door too small?
No,
Okay.
I forgot. You'll see why. Oh my god, why can't I fit through?
Pressure plates or something?
So it'll be just like a villager one.
You have steps?
Yeah?
Oh, cool. Wow, how'd you do that?
It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then you want to take your oak slabs, place them all around, right, Mom?
I guess. That's good.
You don't know how to build it.
No.
Oh
Monkey. How'd you figure this out?
A video on YouTube.
Oh yeah. Oh, now I see why the roof is so hard.
Oh my god. So this is really hard. Yeah,
So you're good.
I know.
No,
Oh my god.
it's thank you. I was waiting until you figured that one out.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna see what I did here. Oh yeah, okay. Weird thing.
Yeah.
Put this all around. This is hard,
It is.
but I could
But
do
you're
it.
doing it, yeah.
Inside is really cool. What I like to do is add a chest full of emeralds,
Oh yeah.
full, or diamonds.
So when somebody comes, they can get that.
No one comes in. It's not multiplayer.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have to do a command real quick. So my god.
Yay.
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 Okay. Wait, what did I do here?
You gotta go back and put the inside of it, right? I think I know what. Now fill up the inside. Yeah. Right?
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, right there. Then you'll put one on top of that. Good job.
My mom's good.
Huh?
My mom's good. Oh.
Now you're gonna put one on top, right? Like more, yeah. Right?
I mean, it looks good. So.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I guess this is the way. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Then just
And then
continue.
inside, yeah.
My god.
What
What?
happened?
I'm tired.
You're doing good, monkey. Okay, and then
One more.
Oh.
I know, I'm gonna fix that. Dunny.
Bunny. Wow.
And now,
Wow.
no, wait, I'm not done yet.
Okay.
Slash clear. Oh my god. Now, so get emeralds. 64. I just want to show you one more thing in here.
Okay.
So it's a trap.
Yeah.
It's a trap. TNC. To protect your house. So you're going to do this. Put TNT.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna be a big explosion. So, trust me. I had to go for a second, but you saw what I did. I put TNT, then a grass block, then a trapped chest. That's what it's called. Look, trapped chest. So when someone tries to open it, look. Wait, I did this wrong. Oh, see,
Oh wow!
I was trying to do that one more time. Wait, can I do this? I'm looking in the chest. What's there? Nothing.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. All right.
Wait, whoa,
Sign
wait.
out.
So,
Oh my gosh.
hold on.
Are you growing emeralds?
No, that's not possible. She doesn't know the deal. Emerald. And now, if someone digs down, look what they'll see. You know what I'm
Oh,
doing.
that's pretty cool.
I just put it A-L-A-N. Ah! This is so easy. The house was the easiest for me.
Yeah.
Filling
We
this
can
up.
make a village. Make a village.
I already did 3 houses.
I know, so we can make a village tomorrow.
Yeah, right now it's nighttime. Right?
Yeah.
Wait, it's nighttime. It's nighttime.
Oh my, look at that beautiful sunset.
Where's
Well,
the sun?
Yeah, and there's the moon.
Oh,
Wow.
set time. Set. Let's do it. Midnight?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yes. Okay, finish what you're doing.
Okay.
We'll put it in the night so people can, I mean day, so people can see though.
Flash time. Set. Noon.
Cutie pie.
And who are you? Bats!
Bats.
Where did they come from? That's weird. If you guys have bats in your world, that's just weird. But I do, so. I hear the bats. I can hear them. I can hear. Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness.
That's.
Oh my gosh. You gotta go, Reem.
I know. Filling this one hole is the hardest thing in the
I
world.
know. It's the longest.
Hardest. I'm so tired. Why? What? Why? What? Yes. I'm gonna set another TNT. No. No. So if they dig down, they'll see emerald. And I'm gonna add one more thing.
No, we gotta go.
It's quick, it's quick, it's quick. A villager. You know why? Look what they do. They're so mean. They break into people's houses. Go in my house. Go in my house. I know you want to. I know you want to. What? What did I do?
Oh my, you putting more? Oh my god. You're gonna fall in your hole, in that hole. Oh my gosh! Okay, bye.
Okay, now they have a home. Bye bye.